Welcome back. You join me in putting the interior back together on the 6-liter. But I gotta find the parts first. Before I remember. 'Cause that's the only way I could get that door open, was to take that hanger off. So it should still be, yep, still attached on the door. Just trying to find this hanger right here. Did one. But it's still on the door. I forgot about that. And then you go right there, I'm guessing. Oh, that other side was never even off. Well, what the shish? Okay, well, continuing on. Nope, I don't like it. Sure. So, we're going to first put the door seal back in. Some way. I think we're just gonna go here and just put her on down right here, I think. I'll either figure out it's wrong or it'll just pop right in and it'll work beautifully. Dying to figure out what. Boom. Door seal is in. Carpet is in. Well, rhino liner is in. Now, whatever I just dropped, this guy. I don't know what that water sound was, but alright. Nope. Need this. Cat, how many more times am I gonna have to kick you out of here before you learn to keep out, mother clucker? Rawr! Anyways. If Lord never gave you a hammer, use your hand. It works about the same. It's only more painful. Come on. Come out of your little hole. And go in that hole. Good job. I'm proud of you. I wish I had somebody to tell that to me. It's alright. Beautiful. Okay, next is front cover. Hey, scooch, cooch. It's a cat, so I have the right to say cooch. And where is this? Okay, well. Yeah, I know the body was pretty crap, and we agreed to pull the cab and stuff. But it's gotten to the point where I'm sick of just saying that it's done or that it's almost done. I just want this damn thing done. I ain't even able to do it right yet, so just... Ow! Hey, move for me. Thanks, Pook. Fine. Don't seal like a good boy. I don't care. You're gonna have to stay up there because I have to remember you go to here. But I need to get this door to let go of this first. So, don't know how I'm gonna do that yet, but figure it out. Next would be back seats. Yeah, back seats. Okay, I got the rear back that goes against, except on the inside. We got that. I'm gonna blow it off. Goodbye. Sure. Air compressor. I'd hate to put dirt back in my dirty cab. It sucks. Okay, now that the air compressor has shut off, I can finally speak. Yeah. Putting the rear bottom seats in. I detailed, aka blew them off with the air compressor and called it good. The bottom seats. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten everything down. Just a couple ugga duggas. You don't want to over tight them. They're old nuts and they're old studs and stuff. You'd hate to just over tight the things. You'd hate to cross thread them too, because God knows you ain't getting them off. So you just want to give it out there and zip her down a little bit. And then you want to turn the phone, because I said so. And you want to get your nice, muddy, dirty boots on this floor that I just spent like 2 hours cleaning, not even counting the floor under. That's good noises. Those are good noises. You'd hate for some natural Loctite, you know? I don't remember if there was a bolt back here, but there is now. And you're definitely cross thread, so there's not. Oh, I know what's supposed to be there. It's a bolt for the seatbelt bracket. See, look at me using me noggin. Then, after you do that, you want to fold your seats up, because you're a cheap ass and bought an extended cab. Trust me, I've thought about quitting this project so many times because it's an extended cab. Nobody's going to think it's cool or anything anyways. Which, you know, is very possible. But then at the same time, I don't really care. Ride with me or not, I'm going to be cruising around in a clapped 6-liter and you're not. So, deal with it. Those are good noises, I promise you. It's a heart impact, so it struggles to breathe. $60 at Walmart, though. $60. Beautiful. Not beautiful. I just seen what I did. There ain't no getting that out. I got the... Oh, there actually might be. Hold up. Big brain moment. Give me your latch. Oh, dude. This is why I love Ford. I don't. I'm just kidding. I didn't say that. I love you. You, not your brand. Just what you are doing. which is nothing, but it's all right. Okay. Now, we could put the backboard in, but I need to zip down that other seatbelt. If I have it, I might have took it out. Because, like I said, nobody rides with me. Why do I need seatbelts? Okay, anyways. And then after this, it's front seats. And then after that, it's fixing that door. And then, at least the interior of the 6-liter is done. The body that the interior is strapped to won't be done, but you know what? I've wanted to do this for so long. I'm putting my 6.0 Power Stroke badge back on. It just looks so wah. I don't like a wah looking engine bay. Never mind, that needs some work. Not putting this badge on. I love this badge though. I love it. If somebody could make a poster of this badge, I'd buy it and hang it up on my wall. I'm not joking you. I love that badge. Where would the seatbelts be? I'm gonna say probably gone, because they're not in my pile of interior parts. You're Dusty. What are you for? I don't know. Yeah, okay, so no seatbelt for you. Don't tell the government. It's okay, we're too busy bombing Israel, so. Or Iran, one of the two. I don't know, don't care. Okay, backboard time. Let me climb back up in this hot rod here. The only reason it's called a hot rod is because it doesn't have AC. What was that? Well, why did you come out? I never loosened you, did I? This bolt just fell out this side of my chair. Well, I'm gonna put that in there. At least like that. Good thing I opened both doors. Get a good blowing through here, you know? So that way all the dust and everything wakes up as well. Oh, quit dripping dirt on my floor. I just spent like at least an hour cleaning that. Cause then dude, the biggest brain for the 25th century. Now you just need to turn around. God. Dude, I should become a gymnast. A gymnasticsness. A something named Jim is what I should be. I didn't want my phone anyways, you know? Phones are overrated anyways. Please stick, magnet. I've dropped this phone 4 times today. It's been a really great day. I'm having a really great... What just fell? Stop falling, you nice truck. Yep. She's coming together. As quick as one person can rebuild an entire truck. It's alright. It's only gotten to the point where I think the girlfriend's given up on the build. If you don't stay down like a good Ford you are. Oh, and of course you didn't pop in. Okay. Now just stay down like the good extended cab seat you are, and we'll be alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Hello. We now have a rear seat in the 6-liter, baby. Oh, my God. This is an uncomfortable seating angle for this poor bastard. Dude, whoever has to ride in the back of this, I mean, it's not too uncomfortable. I'd just want to, if it was a long car ride or something, I definitely would not catch myself sitting like this. Unless I did this the whole time, then I guess it wouldn't be bad. Until my arms give out and I just, boom! Oh. Oh. I finally got seats in the 6-liter. I'm finally making some kind of progress on this truck. Oh my god. Oh. I act like this was such hard work. It wasn't. It wasn't that hard work, honestly, but this is just taking forever. This has taken so long to the point where, like I said, the person that was supporting me most on this entire build in the beginning is now upset that I work on it. But I don't care. Good thing it's my truck and not yours, Kimosabi. Yeah, I'm sitting here for a little bit. It's, I'm most likely going to cut all this out of editing, so I don't care. That's just more I have to edit. Okay, I'll get up in a sec, because, like, I know you guys, the 3 people that are going to watch this video, really aren't going to have an idea. But, dude, I've spent so much time and stuff working on this truck. I have to hear daily from my parents about how I should just scrap it. Oh, dude, it's like minutely almost. The moment you bring up something with an F, it's... Speaking of Ford, are you going to scrap that or sell that truck yet? It's like, dude, no, I'm not going to sell or scrap it. Because I'm going to be in the pocket. I'm going to have so much more money spent on this truck than what I could ever get out of it. It's not worth selling. By the time this thing's over, at least this part of the build, the phase 1 build, I already have so much money in this truck, I'm not going to be able to sell it and gain a profit. It has 300,000 miles. You think somebody's going to buy a 300,000 mile 6-liter? This guy bought a 300,000 mile 6-liter. Okay, it's at like 299.8 or something like that. Pretty much 300,000 miles. When I bought it, it was at like 262 or something like that. It was barely above 250. I drove the shit out of it for like a month and a half. Oh, dude, I was driving this thing minutely. If I wasn't in this, I was sleeping. And if I wasn't sleeping and I wasn't in this, then call me dead, because I wasn't here. Okay, enough yapping about something everybody's going to skip through anyways. Let's go throw some a driver, a passenger, and a center console in this. And is there a reason I have that door panel off? I don't know, but we're going to, yeah, there is, because that latch doesn't. It doesn't anymore. It don't latch. That's right. That's why I have that door panel off. Okay, well, maybe let's dig into these doors, too, by the time we get this interior done. Which is going to take a while if I keep sitting here. So let's hop to it. I don't want to talk to it. I just want to hawk to it. Anyways, that was horrible. I'm not going to touch those buttons. It's not like anything's going to change anyways. This truck don't have AC. And it barely had heat. This truck had heat when it felt like it. And it didn't feel like it very often. Okay, well, I'm going to grab the seats and blow dry them off. I'll catch you when it's time to install. Okay, we got the center console in. I'm bolting the passenger seat in right now. And then we're going to put the cover right here. As soon as I can get this bolt tightened, we'll be moving on. But it is wanting to fight the ever-loving dog out of me. So, like I said, as soon as I struggle and fight, to get this bolt in, we will put the driver's seat in, and then the interior should be done after about 4, almost 5 months. So let me get that driver's seat in and I'll be back. This is a fight. This driver's seat's heavier and heavy. This driver's seat weighs about as much as me. 160 if you were asking. And yes, if you were also asking, oh, I eat like I'm a starving elephant, dude. Send that guy home. Oh, we can get out without dropping the chair this time. Thanks. You're welcome, me. I'm gonna put you guys somewhere where you can't see, because those things. No, you don't need to see. Nope. Would have probably helped if I was trying to put her in the right hole. It's okay, we all struggle with that from time to time. Nope, that's still not the right hole. There. That's the right one. Oh yeah, right where she likes it. Don't take that out of context. Stripped or cross-threaded? I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. Neither. Hopefully you guessed neither, because it's definitely cross-threaded. So it's a really good thing you put neither, because it's... Okay, anyways. I got told I talk a lot, so now I try to not do that as much. It's alright, I've only been getting told I talk a lot since, like, birth. It'll be alright. I was spinning the washer, not the nut there. Okay. It's alright, you know, you'd hate to have it right the first time. Because if it's right the first time, then you just seem like a professional. And well, nobody likes a professional. It's okay, because I am not. I know really good quality YouTube videos if you're over here. Speaking of which, as of time of recording, we are at 19 subscribers, dude. I know 19's not very much. But hey, dude, we are so close to 20 subscribers. It's insane. One away. So I gotta make this video good enough to gain 1 subscriber. So, in other words, just stop recording now. Alright. Sounds about like it. No, but in all seriousness, for the 19 people subscribed, it means a lot. Like, I looked at it one day and went, holy sh! 19 subscribers? Dude, I threw myself a little party, I'm gonna be honest. I know it's only 19, but it's like, could you imagine 19 people wanting to watch me work on this thing? Like, bring 19 people over here and have them watch me work on this. Suddenly, 19 people seems like a lot of people. And that's how I've always looked at it. Everybody else looks at it as just a number and whatnot. But it's like, no, don't just look at it like a number. Look at it as that many people surrounding what you're doing. That's how you want to look at it. So it's like, oh, I only have 300 subscribers or something. It's like, dude, now imagine 300 people surrounding your project. Suddenly, 300 people seems like a lot of people. And it's like, 19 people surrounding me work on the 6-liter. Holy crap. Dude, I'd be happy if one person came to watch me work on the 6-liter, let alone 19. Why did I just try to ratchet and impact? I guess that's what starvation and thirst dehydration would do to you, huh? Okay, on that note, the entire interior, besides those 2 doors, are done. Oh my God. Never thought I'd make it to this point, I'm gonna be honest. Dude, this build has taken so long. I do not remember the seat being this close. But I guess that's what happens when you drive a... Whoa. I never remember this seat being this close to the wheel, but I guess that's kind of what happens when you're used to driving a crew cab all day. A crew cab layer, I mean. I gotta flex that I'm rich. Not doing payments, splitting it half with my parents. It's alright. But thank you guys so much. It truly means a lot to me that, you know, it might only be 20 people that watch these videos, but in the end, 20 people surrounding this build, 19 subscribers. So 19 people surrounding me work on the 6-liter. It's like, holy crap. 19 people surrounding this 6-liter. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. It just blows my mind that people are willing to sit and eat or sit and watch this. I mean, not saying my content's bad, but it's definitely not good. It's mediocre at best. So, but on that note, we might end the video here. Because I've already tried to mess with those doors. I can't get them. Really nothing else to do that I can film anyways. So, I guess we'll end it off here. The interior is complete, minus those doors. I still have to get that door to close and that door to even open. But after that, the interior will be done. And I can move on. Well, I still got to get a key. I don't even have a key for this thing. I have it hot wired right now. So I got to get a key. And then the interior is done for this phase 1 build anyways, which is just getting it back on the road reliably. So then next phase will be making it look good, maybe add a little bit of power, stuff like that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching these videos, for liking these videos, and for even subscribing in the first place. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider at least giving it a like. If anything, give it a like. That means the world to me, and it gives me the courage and I'm gonna go out and record today motivation. So if you could do me a favor and at least give this video a like, that helps me out a ton and gives me a bunch of courage to come back out here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for 19, almost 20 subscribers. Actually, by the time this is uploaded, I'll probably have 20. But if not, thank you guys so much for 19 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I never thought this channel would get more than 10. When I'm going to be honest, the first video I made, I was not expecting this to do very good. And then the second video hit like 200 views, and it was like, I got to keep this going. So, thank you guys for watching me and supporting me, and I'm really, really grateful that some people are willing to watch the poop. Alrighty, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing, and I will catch you guys here next week. Peace.